Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition replacement front wheel hub bearing assembly. This front wheel hub bearing assembly works on various GM vehicles from 2002 to 2009, including the Chevy Trailblazer, GMC Envoy, Oldsmobile Bravada, and more. For a full list, please review below or ask us. Your wheel bearings are a crucial part of the drivetrain as they allow your wheels and tires to rotate smoothly without friction. Should there be loud noises from your wheel area, loose steering, vibrations, or even uneven tire wear, one of your wheel bearings may be the problem. While this wheel bearing is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, as it was designed to be a direct bolt-on replacement, thanks to the OEM mounting locations and, of course, the OEM lug nut pattern. This wheel hub bearing also comes with the full ABS speed sensor and cable. Installation of a hub bearing might be something you can do yourself as there are no special tools required. But just make sure you bolt down using the proper amount of torque and double check the fitment. If you have any questions about this wheel hub bearing, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.